When someone tells me to name a car from 10 years ago, I still think of my JZX. So it's easy to think that many of the rubber components in your car are so okay, but in reality, 1994 was nearly 30 years ago. Besides from the obvious upper radiator hose and lower radiator hose, I'm going to be covering the other miscellaneous hose that are often overlooked on these cars. If you have good compression across all cylinders, but you're losing coolant, chances are it's one of these hoses. Look for signs of dried coolant. The outlet hose can be a straight 5/8 inch hose. And the turbo coolant hoses are the easiest hose to replace. You can use any flexible 3/8 inch heater hose for this one. The hose that goes from the block to heater tab, I have a video on that. You can find it in the description, but if I were to do it again, I'd buy two 90-degree heater hoses and just use a straight connector. Today's video, I will be covering the hose under the throttle body and the L hose that goes from the heater tap to firewall. This 1/4 inch hose can be blocked off and it's only there to help the throttle body warm up more quickly. This is mostly for emissions. And also in colder climates, the butterfly valve has a chance of sticking, and this helps to prevent from doing so. Not really needed and can be capped off unless you live in colder climates. The advantage of this is one less hose to fail. For the purpose of this video, I bought a replacement hose for less than $1 and will show you the process of replacing it. Also, do take the time to flush out your heater core if you're experiencing heating issues. Coolant hoses are a rare item, and after 30 years of heat cycles, they are at the end of their lifespan, even on low mileage JZs. If you are seeing signs of weakness on one hose, chances are the other hoses are not far behind. Good news is that coolant hoses can be made stateside and are relatively cheap and easy to replace. There are no direct replacements, but generally you just need the hose to be flexible enough. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if this helped.